What is up, everyone? Natrab here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So this just arrived today. I waited for this for 3 months, and I'm quite sure the wait is going to be worth it. The guys at Austin Racing are really nice, and they were very accommodating of questions and stuff like that. From what I know, this is basically very easy to install. It's a slip-on with a mid-pipe. You can see it's very secure. The weight is a little bit long because it's handmade and they have to make sure the quality is right. But once they ship it, man, it's very fast. Oh, here we go. This is a hoodie from Austin Racing. They kindly sent me over a very nice hoodie. Whew, look at that. Look at that. Nice. If anyone at Austin Racing is watching, thank you very much. So here we are. All bubble wrapped here. So this is most likely the heat guard. And let's put it down there. And this, my friends, all bubble wrapped, is the pipe itself. I'm so excited. Wow. Okay. This is all titanium. So if you can see here, great thought and care was put into making this. So instead of a clamp here that goes to your foot peg, what they did, which is for me genius, is another clamp. So what I chose was the titanium colorway. You can choose between titanium and carbon fiber. So what I chose was the titanium with the graphite end. This is the GP1R. This one has a DB killer pre-installed that you can take off. I think according to the website, the measurements for this is at 100 decibels at around 5,000 RPM. It's beautiful. You can see the fit and finish here. The welds are amazing. Whew, I can't wait to put this on. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Austin Racing. It was well worth the wait. It's actually very light. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next video. Bye.